People like to say that hiccups means someone is thinking about you. That may sound nice, but biology tells a very different story. Hiccups are not mysterious. They are mechanical. Your lungs work like a pump. To inhale, they must expand. Most people think ribs and shoulders do the work. But the real hero is the diaphragm. It's a large muscle under your lungs. When it contracts, it pulls the lungs downward, drawing air inside. That's why your belly moves when you breathe deeply. A hiccup is a sudden spasm of the diaphragm. Air rushes in, your vocal cords snap shut, and you hear the sound. But why do we have hiccups at all? One theory suggests they are ancient, a leftover from early animals moving from water to land. Even human babies hiccup in the womb before their lungs are fully developed. The most likely explanation is simpler. Hiccups help young mammals. They coordinate breathing and feeding and remove excess air from the stomach to make room for milk. That's why only mammals hiccup, and why babies do it so often. The real trigger behind hiccups is the vagus nerve. This nerve runs from your brain through your throat, lungs, diaphragm, and deep into your digestive system. It controls breathing, swallowing, heart rate, and digestion. When air enters the stomach from eating too fast, soda, alcohol, the vagus nerve panics and activates the hiccup reflex. Cold food, hot food, laughter, coughing, or sudden emotions can do the same. That's also why hiccup cures look strange. They stimulate or confuse the vagus nerve until it resets. Holding your breath or breathing into a paper bag raises carbon dioxide levels in your blood. Your body immediately regains control and shuts the hiccups down. So yes, this is one rare case where folk remedies actually make scientific sense. And that's baby science for you.